It's saying that space has these intrinsic qualities that are very valuable. Things like the microgravity environment, things like the fact that it's a vacuum environment. All of these, we're saying we can actually leverage those into new innovations. And so that's where you start to see this kind of paradigm shift.
Those very special conditions of space that we find at low Earth orbit level open a whole range of possibilities for research in the most diverse fields, from agriculture to nanomedicine, as well as fiber optics, pharmaceutics, or beer production. Multiple sectors are studying how to take advantage of these valuable qualities to improve their products on Earth. In particular, these unique conditions facilitate the processing of certain materials like liquids, gases, or gels in space, as well as the manipulation of huge, heavy structures without effort. This opens up the possibility of starting to manufacture certain items off Earth in coming years.
Has now been demonstrated, for example, that you can make fiber optic cables in space where you have zero gravity that are far more efficient than anything that can be made on Earth. And the value of these things are very high. And so to set up a factory on orbit to actually make this kind of stuff.
In fact, November 2017 will go down in history as the date when human beings were able to manufacture an item off Earth and bring it back to the surface for the first time ever. Dmitry Starodubov, chief scientist at FOMS Inc., was responsible for the brilliant scientific program that brought about such a milestone.
Our fiber program is the first commercial effort that generated revenue from manufacturing on orbital platform. We were able to manufacture a small piece of fiber and prove that actually optical fiber manufacturing in microgravity is better than in gravity conditions for specialty optical fibers like fluoride optical fibers, ZBLAN type. The thermal fields in the microgravity environment provide substantially more uniform and more controllable conditions for material processing that are highly advantageous for materials. We can increase the capacity of data transmission for optical fibers made out of new materials.
We hope that this very first amazing step has been just the first of many achievements that future in-space manufacturing industries will bring about. Without doubt, space is opening up scientific and business possibilities that we hadn't even dreamed of a few years ago.